In this online tech tips video, I'll be looking at an issue that many iPhone users have: screen rotation problems. If your iPhone screen won't rotate or gets stuck in landscape mode, don't worry, I've got a quick and easy fix to help you out. First things first, let's check if the portrait orientation lock is enabled. This feature prevents your screen from rotating when you turn the phone sideways, and here's how to disable it. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to access the control center. On devices with a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Look for the lock icon with a circular arrow around it. If it's highlighted, portrait orientation lock is on. Tap the icon to disable it, and you should see portrait orientation lock off flash on the screen. Not every app supports landscape mode. Some apps are designed to work only in portrait mode no matter how much you turn your phone. To check if the issue is app specific, try rotating the screen while using different apps like Safari or Messenger that do support landscape mode. If it rotates in these apps but not in the one you're having trouble with, the issue is likely with the app itself. Force quit and relaunch the app. If you're sure the app supports both portrait and landscape views but it's still not rotating, there might just be a glitch in the app. So let's force quit and relaunch it. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and pausing in the middle. Swipe up on the app's card to close it. Then reopen the app from your home screen or app library. The zoom accessibility feature can interfere with screen rotation, so you might want to turn it off. Open the settings app and go to accessibility and then tap on zoom. Toggle the switch off next to zoom. If this solves the problem, make sure to update your iPhone system software and apps before re-enabling zoom. Sometimes just restarting your phone can fix these glitches, so here's how to restart your iPhone. Hold the side and volume up or down buttons until the slide to power off screen appears. Drag the power icon to the right side and wait for 30 seconds. Then hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. A force restart, also known as a hard reset, can fix deeper software glitches. So here's how to do it based on your iPhone model. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down and side buttons together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, hold the home and side or top buttons together until you see the Apple logo. Keeping your iPhone software up to date can fix many issues, including screen rotation problems. Here's how to check for updates. Open the Settings app and then go to General Software Updates. If an update is available, tap Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Also, don't forget to update your apps. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon and select Update All. If none of the previous steps work, we have to try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper preferences. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then select Reset, and then tap Reset All Settings. You'll have to enter your device passcode to proceed. Then tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. And there you have it. By following these steps, your iPhone should be rotating as it should. If the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue and you should visit an Apple store for more assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.